Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm John.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy to see you today.
How are you doing this morning, Emma? You look very awake.
Thanks, John. I am awake. I had a very large coffee this morning. The weather outside is a little gray and rainy, so I needed some energy. How are you?
I'm doing great. I actually love rainy days. It's perfect for staying inside and reading, or talking to friends.
That is true. It is very cozy in here.
So for today's video, we wanted to just hang out and have a casual conversation. We want you to listen to our English and practice with us.
Exactly. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Just relax and listen to the flow of the conversation.
Right. So, Emma, I noticed you were on your phone a lot before we started filming. Who were you talking to?
Oh, you caught me. I was texting my sister. We were planning what to eat for dinner later.
Texting. That brings us to our topic for today. Texting versus talking on the phone.
Oh, this is a big topic. Everyone has a different opinion on this.
They really do. So let's start with a simple question. Emma, do you prefer texting or do you prefer calling someone on the phone?
That is a good question. Honestly, I think I prefer texting.
Really? Why is that?
Well, for a few reasons. First, it is very convenient. I can reply when I have time. If I am busy or if I am working, I don't have to answer right away.
That makes sense. It is less pressure.
Exactly, less pressure. When you call someone, you have to talk right now. But with a text, I can think about my answer. I can take 5 minutes or even an hour to reply. What about you, John? Are you a texter or a caller?
I think I'm a little old-fashioned. I actually prefer phone calls.
No way! You prefer calling?
I do. Don't get me wrong. Texting is great for quick things like I'm here or running late. But for a real conversation, I want to hear your voice.
That is sweet, but isn't calling scary?
Scary? Why is it scary?
Well, maybe not scary, but it feels awkward sometimes. What if we run out of things to say? What if there is a long silence? On a text, there is no awkward silence.
I see your point, but text messages can be confusing too.
How so?
Well, you can't hear the tone of voice. For example, if I say great job on the phone, you can hear that I'm happy. I say, hey, great job.
Right.
But if I text great job with a period at the end, sometimes it looks sarcastic or angry, like great job.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. That happens to me all the time. I overthink it. I look at the message and think, are they mad at me? Why did they use a period? Why didn't they use an exclamation point?
Exactly. Punctuation, like periods and exclamation points, is so important in texting.
It really is. If I text my friend, I almost always use an exclamation point. It makes the message look friendly. If I just say, okay, it looks rude. But if I say, okay, it looks happy.
It's funny how language changes, isn't it? In formal writing, a period is normal, but in casual texting, a period is serious.
Very serious. So, John, since you like phone calls, do you call your friends often?
I try to. I have a friend named Mike who lives in California. We try to talk once a week. If we just texted, we'd only say simple things. How are you? Good. But on the phone, we laugh, we tell stories, we catch up properly. It's faster too.
Faster?
Yes, think about it. To type a long story takes 5 minutes. To say it takes 30 seconds.
That is true. My thumbs do get tired sometimes, looking at my hands. But you know what helps with texting? Emojis.
Ah, yes, emojis. Do you use a lot of emojis?
I use so many emojis. I love them. They help show emotion. Like we said before, texting can be cold, but if I add a smiley face or the laughing face with tears...
The cry laughing emoji?
Yes, that is my favorite one. It shows I'm joking. Do you use emojis, John?
I use the thumbs up emoji a lot.
Oh no, John, you are such a dad. The thumbs up is very classic.
Hey, it works. It means yes or good or understood. It's efficient.
It is efficient, but sometimes young people think the thumbs up is a little dismissive, like you don't care enough to type a word.
Really? I didn't know that. I thought I was being polite.
It's okay, I accept your thumbs up.
Thank you. So, speaking of casual messages, let's talk about slang and abbreviations. When you're texting fast, you don't write full sentences, right?
Definitely not. I use abbreviations all the time.
What are the most common ones you use? For our learners watching, maybe we can explain a few.
Sure. Well, the biggest one is obviously LOL.
LOL. Laugh out loud.
Right. But here's a secret. When I type LOL, I'm usually not laughing out loud.
When I type LOL, I'm usually not laughing out loud.
No, I'm usually just sitting there with a straight face. I type LOL, but I'm silent. It just means that was funny, or I acknowledge your joke.
That's interesting. So if something is really funny, what do you type?
If it is really funny, I type HAHAHA in all caps. That means I'm actually laughing.
I see. I also see IDK a lot.
Yes, IDK. I don't know. It's super fast. Do you want pizza? IDK.
And TBH?
To be honest. I use that when I'm sharing an opinion. Like, to be honest, I don't really like that movie.
These make texting much faster, but sometimes it feels like a different language. My mom sometimes asks me, what does this mean?
My dad once thought LOL meant lots of love.
No way.
Yes, so he sent me a text that said, Grandma is in the hospital. LOL.
Oh no, that's terrible, but also kind of funny.
I had to call him immediately and explain, Dad, please don't use LOL for sad news.
See, that's a perfect example of why calling is better. Misunderstandings.
Okay, you win that round. Autocorrect is another problem with texting.
Oh, autocorrect. It tries to fix your spelling, but sometimes it changes the word completely. Do you have a funny autocorrect story?
I do. I was texting my boss. I wanted to say, I'll be there in a sec, short for second.
Right.
But my phone changed sec to sack. So I sent, I'll be there in a sack.
Like a potato sack?
Yes, I looked so silly. I had to text back immediately. I mean a second, sorry.
That is hilarious. At least it wasn't a bad word.
True. What about you? Any texting disasters?
Well, not autocorrect, but I once sent a text to the wrong person.
Oh, that is my nightmare.
I was complaining about my friend Sarah. I wrote, Sarah is being so annoying today. And I sent it to Sarah.
No, you didn't.
I did. My heart stopped. I stared at the phone. I wanted to throw it out the window.
What did you do?
I panicked. I immediately called her.
Ah, you called her.
I did, because I knew a text wasn't enough to fix it. I had to apologize with my voice. I had to explain. So I guess you are right again, John. For serious problems, talking is better.
I think that's the rule. If it's happy, quick, or casual, texting is perfect.
Yes, but if it's sad, angry, complicated, or an apology, pick up the phone.
I agree. Also, voice notes. Do you use voice notes?
Voice notes are the messages where you record your voice, right?
Yes, it's like a mix between texting and calling. You can hear the voice, but you don't have to answer right away.
I actually really like voice notes. It feels personal. Sometimes my friends send me a 1-minute voice note just updating me on their day. I can listen to it while I cook or drive.
Me too. It's very popular now. It's easier than typing a long paragraph.
So, Emma, we've talked about the good things, but is there anything you hate about texting?
I hate ghosting.
Ghosting. Can you explain that for our viewers?
Ghosting is when you're texting someone, maybe someone you like or a new friend, and then suddenly they stop replying.
They disappear like a ghost.
Exactly. No explanation, no goodbye, just silence. It feels terrible.
That's rude.
It is. And I also hate being left on read.
Left on read. That means you can see that they read your message, but they didn't reply.
Yes, most phones show a little sign that says read at the bottom. So if I send you a message and 2 hours later it says read, but you haven't replied, I feel ignored.
I admit, sometimes I do that.
John, why?
I don't mean to be rude. Sometimes I open the message, I read it, and I think, okay, I will reply in 5 minutes. But then I get distracted. I start cooking or working and I forget.
A likely story.
It's true. It's not because I don't like you, it's because I have a bad memory.
Okay, I forgive you. But this is why texting is hard emotionally. We analyze everything. Why did he wait 2 hours? Why is the reply so short?
It can cause anxiety.
Definitely. But even with the anxiety, I still think texting is amazing. It keeps us connected all day. I love getting a random photo from my friend or a funny meme.
Memes? We haven't even talked about memes.
That's a whole other video.
True, but you're right. Texting lets us stay in touch with people who live far away. Without it, we'd be very lonely.
So to wrap up, I'm team texting.
And I'm team talking. But we both agree that both are useful.
Yes, it depends on the situation.
Before we go, Emma, I have a challenge for you.
Oh no, what is it?
Today, I want you to call one person instead of texting them.
Just one?
Just one. Call your sister instead of texting her about dinner.
Okay, I can do that. I will call her. But if she doesn't pick up, I'm sending a text.
That's fair. And what about you guys? Do you prefer texting or talking on the phone?
We would love to know. Please tell us in the comments below. Do you use abbreviations like LOL or I?